we're going to, oh no, he's driving.
I know.
We're going, she want videotape you and I look for you turn around.
No, me not look for turn around. Me not put the camera to see him sideways.
Okay. So we are going to Milk River. We're going to pick up Marvelly first, and then we head on to get water from Mom. The special healing property, healing water.
We're having a ball. Jamaica sweet, you know? We are.
We just run for alligator.
Yes,
You hit that run.
This is my long lost cousin here, Conroy.
Hi.
Okay? Conroy, say hello to
Hello.
her bloggers.
Hello, bloggers.
Our vloggers.
Come this way, come this way.
Fragrance, the fragrance, the fragrance.